come closer. If you're a pregnant woman, come closer. If you're a man, if you're a woman, come closer. You will need this video. If you're intending, like if you're still having in mind that you will get pregnant soon, please come closer. You will need this video. Now listen, the reason why I'm doing this video is because of this DNA stuff that is going on everywhere now. DNA problem. Do you know that most women, some women are actually innocent of this DNA problem? Yes, some women are actually innocent of it, but you go explain tire. Yes, you go explain tire. Nobody will listen to you. Now listen, if you're a pregnant woman, or maybe you are still having in mind that you will get pregnant soon, please, once your pregnancy is due for delivery, as you're going to the hospital, make sure you don't go alone. Yes, make sure you don't go alone. Either you go with your best friend, your sister, your relative. If your mother is still alive, your mother should go with you, or even your husband. Your husband can still go with you. And immediately after delivery, once they are cleaning the child or dressing the child, the person should pay close attention on whatever they are doing to the child. Whether they are cleaning the child or dressing the child, the person should pay close attention, because a lot of things is really going on in the hospital. The hospital is not just a place where you just go and sit down. They should just treat you. They should just do this and that. After everything you go, my dear, when you get there, please pay attention on what is going on. Be watchful. Observe what is going on, because a lot of things is really happening in the hospital. If it never happened to you, you no go know. So please, he that has an ear to hear, let that person hear. If you don't want to hear, when it will happen to you, people will learn from you. Yes, a lot of things is really going on in the hospital that you don't know, and these people are not going to tell you. By the time your husband will say, okay fine, let's go for DNA, let me find out if really I'm the one that owns this baby, then you will go for the DNA and find out that the baby is not your own. Madam, God and your heart knows that you are innocent. God knows you have been faithful. You and yourself knows that you have been faithful all this while. But you go explain tire. You go explain tire. By the time they have switched your baby, madam, you go explain. Nobody will listen to you. Nobody will be by your side. Only God in heaven and your heart will know that, yes, you are innocent of this. But to avoid this problem, my dear, please, as you're going to the hospital, hence you know that your husband is the owner of the pregnancy. Please, once you're going to the hospital, go with someone. Don't go alone. Don't go alone. Some of you that will say, I don't like going to a small hospital. I want a big hospital where they can take care of me very well. Madam, that is where your problem is coming from. That is where your problem will start from. Whether is a midwife, you're going to a place of a midwife, or maybe you're going to the hospital, my dear, go with someone. Go with someone. Some people, that place you think is a very comfortable place where you can go to give birth, that is where this problem is coming from. Yes, mostly of these big hospitals, a lot of things are really going on there. So please, if you are going there, go with someone to avoid stories that touches the heart, because when he goes set, madam, you go explain tire, your husband will not listen to you. People around will not listen to you. By then you've turned to a bad wife. You've turned to a cheating wife. Nobody will listen to you. Your child might even be disappointed in you. So please, I just made this video to create an awareness, because I know that most women are still faithful. Some women are still faithful, and they are still innocent of this whole problem. But who will you tell? Who will believe you? Who will you tell that will believe you? So please, if you're going to the hospital, my dear, he that has an ear to hear, let that person hear. I don't talk my own. If you want to listen, fine. If you don't want to, no problem. But in my next video, I'll be throwing more light on something like this. But for now, I don't talk finish. See you guys in the next one. Bye.